First, insert the water sample tube on the left side of the analyzer into the water sample to be tested. Insert the pure water tube on the right side of the analyzer into the pure water. Next, open the analyzer cabinet door. Insert the R1 reagent, R2 reagent, R3 reagent and C2 standard solution into the corresponding tubes according to the labels. QC is the quality control data. If there is no demand, do not add the standard solution. Open the bottom cabinet door. The two tubes inside are liquid. W means waste liquid generated by the reaction. Water. W means wastewater resulting from cleaning process. The waste liquid is highly toxic and corrosive. Please carefully pull the tube out of the waste barrel when recovering. This wiring is connected to the water pump. The analyzer controls the pump to filter the water sample to be tested and extracted to the sampling device. After the analyzer is installed, during the first operation. After the analyzer failure has been repaired. When there is no reagent in all the sample tubes. When the analyzer has been shut down for more than 30 days. The initialization operation must be performed before it can work normally. When the analyzer is in idle state, click the Maintain menu and then click the Process menu. Enter the interface, choose the Clean and Discharge menu. After the analyzer is cleaned, the pipeline needs to be filled for the first use. To avoid the air in the tube being sucked in during measurement, causing measurement errors. After inserting the corresponding reagent, choose the Reagent Inject menu Reagent Fill.